guys, welcome back to another episode of Getting Healthy with Dr. T, where I show you how you can use food as medicine to live a healthier life. Today we are making a kidney cleansing drink, and this is something that you can drink on a daily basis. It's a general cleanse and it's 4 ingredients: beets, ginger, aloe vera, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Aloe vera is an amazing cleanse, and if you're interested in the benefits of aloe vera, be sure to check this video out where I make an aloe vera shot and I break down all of the benefits of aloe vera. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, where I give quick and easy tips on how you can stay healthy using food as medicine to prevent sickness and illnesses.
So as you can see, my beets have been here for a little while, which is why I decided to do this video. I did not want to waste them. I usually pickle them or sometimes even eat them raw, but because they are a little on the older side, I decided to make this juice. And beets are a great source of fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. It has been shown that consuming beets on a regular basis may help to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increase exercise performance. And this is because of their high content of nitrates. Since our body converts nitrates into nitric oxide through a chain reaction, this helps the flow of blood through your body and in turn stabilizes the blood pressure. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, which means it relaxes your blood vessels, helping to dilate the arteries, thus increasing circulation. I am including the juice of a lemon because lemons help to detoxify your entire system. Lemons contain citrate, which helps to prevent calcium from building up and forming stones in your kidneys. We're going to first blend the beets and the ginger, and then we'll slowly add in our lemon juice. So there's our ginger. And I don't think I mentioned, but ginger is also great for circulation and a great cleanser. And you can see the vibrant red color of this drink. And if you follow me here on Getting Healthy with Dr. T, you know I always add the lemon juice towards the end to preserve the integrity in the lemon juice. You never want to over process your fresh squeezed lemon juice. Pour it in towards the end of most all of your mixtures. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain it. And for me, I can drink it just like this. But for the kids, I strain it so they don't complain. Now that I've strained it, I'm going to add my already prepared aloe vera juice. And you can check this video out up top to see how I made my fresh aloe vera juice. There has been research that also indicates aloe helps to promote kidney and urinary tract health. So combining these two, increasing blood circulation and promoting the health of your kidneys, this combination is excellent to improve the function of your kidney. So if you have a friend or you know someone that suffers constantly from urinary tract infections, be sure to share this video with them. Okay, so this is my serving, unstrained. And let's see how it tastes.
Beets are an amazing superfood all by themselves, but they are, look at my hands, OMG. Okay, and they also stain, guys, so you might want to wear gloves. I wore a red shirt because I remember that they stain, but I guess I kind of forgot to protect my hand. Nevertheless, they are excellent at cleansing your kidneys, your liver, and it is something you definitely should incorporate into your daily routine, if not daily, weekly. But beets are essential to our overall health. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and help me grow my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and have my beet juice. It's really good. I think I could have used a little more ginger.